Samsung is now reducing the quality of the cover display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, with both the inside and outside featuring AMOLED panels. On July 4, an image surfaced online purporting to be the official spec sheet for the upcoming foldable, indicating the cover display technology as IPS, which understandably sparked disappointment among fans. However, it seems the Samsung employee responsible for the leaked spec sheet made a typo. The cover display on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is anticipated to mirror that of the Galaxy Z Flip 5, featuring a 3.4-inch diagonal size with a similar foldable shape and a 60 Hz refresh rate. While some Chinese foldables offer higher refresh rates for their cover displays, Samsung is likely reserving such upgrades for future models. However, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will introduce significant upgrades in other aspects. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip and will come in 8GB and 12GB RAM variants. Additionally, it boasts a 50-megapixel primary rear camera and a 4,000 mAh battery, which is 300 mAh larger than that of the Flip 5. On the software side, the Z Flip 6 will debut with Android 14 and One UI 6.1 pre-installed. Samsung has integrated new Galaxy artificial intelligence features, likely to extend to existing devices via software updates. Samsung can't keep the leaks at bay. A week before its next Galaxy Unpacked event, detailed specifications for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 have surfaced. These leaks reveal some exciting aspects, especially about the Galaxy Z Fold 6's screen and the Galaxy Z Flip 6's battery and performance. Legendary leakster Evan Blass or EvLeaks shared marketing images of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 through his Substack newsletter. The photos show that both phones feature an Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for the cover screen. Contrary to earlier expectations of a titanium frame for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, this is not true. Crucially, both devices are IP48 rated for dust and water resistance. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 retains the same display sizes as its predecessor, with a 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch foldable screen. The 3.4-inch OLED screen maintains a resolution of 720 x 748 pixels and runs at 60 Hz, while the 6.7-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen features full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 sports a 6.3-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with HD Plus resolution and a 7.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QXGA Plus resolution. Both screens offer a 120 Hz variable refresh rate and can achieve a peak brightness of up to 2,600 nits, comparable to the Galaxy S24 Ultra screens. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, both phones come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage, with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 possibly offering a 1TB variant. They run Android 14-based One UI 6.1 software. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a vapor chamber system for efficient cooling, a first for the Galaxy Z Flip series. Both phones include Galaxy AI, allowing the use of features like circle to search, interpreter mode, and notes summarization. The among Galaxy AI features were spotted. A chat assist feature appears optimized for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 cover screen, facilitating easier message replies with context-sensitive suggestions from Galaxy AI. Camera-wise, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera, with all cameras capable of recording 4K 60fps videos. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel front camera on the cover screen, and a 4-megapixel front camera on the inner screen. It can record 4K 60fps videos with all its cameras and also 8K 30fps and 4K 120fps slow-motion videos with the primary camera. Despite a larger 4,000 mAh battery compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh battery, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is thinner, measuring 85.1 x 71.9 x 14.9 millimeters and weighing 187 grams, the same as the Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 measures 155.5 x 152.6 x 5.6 millimeters when unfolded and 85.1 x 71.9 x 14.9 millimeters when closed, weighing 239 grams, 14 grams lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Like its predecessor, it has a 4,400 mAh battery. Both phones include a side-mounted fingerprint reader, stereo speakers, dual SIM card slot, GPS, 5G sub-6 GHz, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port. Only the Galaxy Z Fold 6 supports Samsung DeX. Samsung claims the Galaxy Z Flip 6 can last up to 20 hours of web browsing on Wi-Fi, 19 hours on LTE, 23 hours of video playback, and 68 hours of wireless audio playback, significantly better than the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is set to last up to 18 hours of web browsing, 23 hours of video playback, and 77 hours of wireless audio playback, only slightly better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Charging speeds were not revealed in these leaks. With the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 announcements just a week away, recent information suggests that Samsung's upcoming foldable phones will not see an increase in charging speeds. The Chinese version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, model SMW9025, has received CCC certification. The certification reveals that the device supports 25-watt, 11-volt, and 2.25 ampere fast-wired charging, which is the same as its predecessors, the Galaxy Z Fold 2, Galaxy Z Fold 3, Galaxy Z Fold 4, and Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung is not increasing the battery capacity or charging speed of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Hopefully, the company will enhance its design and display enough to make it a worthy upgrade. Improvements to its battery life might come from its new processor and a more power-efficient screen. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 reportedly features slightly shorter and wider screens with thinner bezels. The inner screen is said to have a less visible crease, and the device includes a frame with titanium side rails for added strength. Samsung has reportedly equipped the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 TB storage options. It features a 10-megapixel selfie camera, a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera. Samsung has officially confirmed its upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10, 2024. Samsung has posted an invitation teaser video on its YouTube channel. Let's take a look. Samsung has selected Paris as the venue for this year's event, which will take place 16 days before the opening ceremony of the 2024 Summer Olympics. This Unpacked event promises to be one of the busiest ever. At this event, Samsung will unveil its new flagship foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Additionally, they will introduce their first-ever Ultra smartwatch alongside the Galaxy Watch 7, the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro wireless earbuds, and the Galaxy Ring, their first-generation smart ring. Following the Galaxy S24 launch earlier this year, Samsung's press invite highlights the importance of Galaxy AI. The new AI features debuting in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 series will eventually be available on older devices. Galaxy AI will also be integrated into Samsung's wearables. Pre-reservations are now open. To reserve a product, you can sign up with your name and email address via this link to receive a $50 credit. This credit can be used towards purchasing the upcoming devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Additionally, signing up will automatically enter you into a sweepstakes contest, where the winner will receive a $5,000 credit, allowing them to acquire nearly all of the new devices for free. The event is scheduled to begin at 3 p.m. CEST, 6 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 6:30 p.m. EST. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.